Bulumya bwongerwa mwebale bakagwa ekonga lyakoba okabiranga kuwa mwikirize mbebaze mwebale bakagwa bibaire bizibu migo kusambagana bintu bibaire bizibu ino bibaire bizibu kuba bibaire mu bujayi emitego bataire mu njiro kutulemesa olugendo twena kubaire kuguma koba mama kubaire kufuba n'agamani g'omutonzi mwebazi kyokensi ena abantu bangi bayogeranga abantu bangi badereganga ukalivamu kyakakatyama mu ntebe
I take the honor and the pleasure to today's occasion, and I want to request her to ask the third Deputy Prime Minister to invite her to just welcome you, and then we go down for the main ceremony.
You're welcome to Uganda. I'm Rukaiya. I'm the third Deputy Prime Minister, and I want to welcome the delegation to Uganda. Thank you so much for coming. We are here. I'm the chairperson of the Ministers Committee, and she is the patron of this consortium for development in Busoga. I want her to welcome you. Then from here, we will be going down so that we have the speeches. But right now, I invite her to welcome you. Is it the first time? Oh, the first time. Oh, you are welcome to Uganda. This is a part of Africa. And we request that you can stay for some days so that you can see what is around.
One of those things you stay and see more than what you do. Welcome you and welcome the relationship between Shandong province, the Busoga Consortium of Development. And I hope one day, next time you come back, you shall fly direct from Shandong Republic. To talk about your direct flight from China. I hope one day you can have a flight from there, so it comes straight. You don't have to go here and there. Come straight here, get enough time. Thank you for accepting to work with us. Thank you.
再次欢迎各位来到乌干达，作为非洲的明珠，同时也是尼罗河的发源地。我们这里还有非常多的这个宗教，非常多的文化，这个旅程愉快。我们也非常高兴，山东省尼罗河布索加联盟开展这样好的这个建立非常友好的关系，然后开展更多的合作。也希望我们这个下次有山东省代表团来的时候，能够坐直航从山东直接飞来这个恩德培。Your Right Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, First Prime Minister and Third Prime Minister, and Honorable Governor, and also Councillor Mao Jianxun from the Embassy. Good morning.
我们刚才在这里进行了很好的寒暄和交谈，双方就像虽然是第一次见面，就感觉像老朋友一样。
Just now, before your arrival, we had very good discussion with Mr. Governor, and we feel like old friends, even though we only just met.
我们非常高兴来到美丽的乌干达，我们也对下一步的合作充满着期待。
It is also our great pleasure to visit this beautiful country of Uganda, and we also look forward to our cooperation in the future.
中国和乌干达一直有非常友好的合作关系，我们也非常期待在下一步这个工作当中能做出我们山东的贡献。
China and Uganda share a traditional friendship, and Shandong Province also look forward to make our contribution to this relationship in the future.
祝各位嘉宾身体健康，谢谢。
Wish you all good health. Thank you for welcoming us.
Oh.
尊敬的各位嘉宾、女士们、先生们、朋友们，大家上午好。
Your Right Honorable First Deputy Prime Minister, Third Deputy Prime Minister, Governor of Busoga Consortium for Development, Mr. Wang Jianxun from the Chinese Embassy. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, good morning.
今天我们欢聚在这里，共同开启山东省与布索加发展联盟友好合作新里程。首先，我谨代表山东省人民政府和山东代表团全体成员，对本次活动的举办表示热烈的祝贺。
Today we're gathered in the beautiful city of Jinja to jointly launch our new milestone for cooperation between Shandong Province and Busoga Consortium for Development. On behalf of the Shandong Provincial Government and the members of our Shandong delegation, I would like to congratulate on the opening of this event.
中乌两国一直真诚友好，作为来自中国山东省的代表，能够参加这次的活动，我深感荣幸。
China and Uganda shares a traditional friendship and bond, and it is my great honor to be here and attend this event.
首先，请允许我简要介绍一下山东的有关情况。山东是中国东部沿海的经济大省、文化大省和开放大省。2024年经济总量突破1.38万亿美元，排在中国的第3位。 农业产值实现1997亿美元，排在中国的第1位。拥有联合国划定的全部41个工业大类，去年进出口总额达到4760亿美元。
Please allow me to introduce to you about our Shandong province. Shandong is a major province in terms of economy, culture, and international collaborations located on the eastern coast of China. Last year, our regional GDP exceeded 1.38 trillion US dollar, ranking the third among all provinces in China. And our agricultural output totaled 179.7 billion US dollars. This number also ranked the top in the country. Shandong has all 41 major industrial categories listed by the United Nations, and last year our import and export volume totaled 476 billion US dollars.
布索加此区域是乌干达重要的制造业地区，贵国在这里创新成立了布索加发展联盟，开创了地方发展的先河，和山东在发展理念、产业结构和资源禀赋上有很强的互补性。
Busoga is an important manufacturing region of Uganda, and it is a pioneering measure and policy for your country to establish the Busoga Consortium for Development here, opening up a new form of regional governance, and you have great complementarity with our province in terms of development philosophy, industrial structure, and natural resources.
我们愿以这次活动为契机，筑牢友好根基，深化地方交往。稍后我们将共同签署建立友好合作关系备忘录。我们期待以此为基础，进一步加强政府、企业、民间的友好合作，搭建常态化交流机制，为两地共同发展注入持久的动力。
We would like to take this event as an opportunity to further consolidate our friendship and deepen engagement with local governments. Later, we'll be signing an MOU for a friendly cooperative relationship, and we look forward to building on this to further strengthen the friendly cooperation between governments, companies, and people, to build a regular contact mechanism for our two sides and engage in continued and viable impetus for collaboration.
我们愿以这次活动为契机，推进务实合作，共享发展成果。令人欣喜的是，山东企业已经与贵方在经济发展各领域展开积极互动，在此投资兴业。今天我们将共同启动非洲桥竹林生态圈项目， 这个项目将有效推动当地主资源开发与绿色发展，使双方落实可持续发展理念的生动实践。山东将积极支持该项目的发展。
We would like to also take this opportunity to promote practical cooperation and share our development fruits. It is to our great delight that many Shandong companies have already been engaged in active participants with your region in economic development and making investment here. So today we're jointly launching the BCD Average Bamboo Ecological Program, which will further facilitate the development of local bamboo resources and green development. This is also a testament to the implementation of sustainable development of both sides. Shandong Province gives our full support to the development of this project.
此外，我们还将向布索家的学生和居民赠送布料、文体用品等物资，它们承载着山东人民对布索家人民的美好祝愿，也是我们践行真实亲诚合作理念的切实行动。
In addition, we'll be donating textiles, art supplies, and sporting supplies to the students and people of Busoga. They carry the best wishes of our Shandong people to Busoga people, and it's also a testament to our cooperation philosophy of sincerity, practicality, and trust.
我们愿以这次活动为契机，拓展人文交流，促进民心相通。山东是中国的教育大省，拥有167所高校。我们愿意向布索家青年提供山东省政府有成奖学金，帮助布索家青年赴山东留学，也支持双方在文化、旅游、体育等领域开展形式多样的交流合作，让友谊的种子在双方人民心中生根发芽。
We would also like to take this opportunity to enlarge cultural and people-to-people exchanges. Shandong has rich education resources. We are home to 167 higher learning institutions that include universities and colleges. We would like to also provide our provincial government scholarship to the young people of Busoga to help those who want to study in Shandong and support the carrying out of multiple forms of activities in culture, tourism, and sports to let the seed of friendship grow in our two peoples.
女士们、先生们、朋友们，山东省愿与布索家发展联盟携手并肩，从备忘录的签署出发，从竹林生态圈和民生捐赠的具体工作出发，共同书写双方合作更加美好的明天。
Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, Shandong Province would love to join hands with Busoga Consortium for Development. Let us start from the signing of this agreement, start from the Bamboo Ecological Project and the donation of supplies to jointly write a new chapter and a brighter tomorrow for our cooperation.
最后也诚挚地邀请各位朋友到山东走访参观，感受山东人民的热情和发展的机遇。也祝愿本次活动圆满成功，祝愿我们的友谊如尼罗河水奔流不息。谢谢大家。
And in closing, I sincerely invite all friends to come visit our Shandong province to feel the hospitality of our people and the development opportunities. We wish the event a complete success and wish our friendship running forever forward like the water of the river of Nile. Thank you all.
Thank you, mates. And Jinja is the capital city of Busoga.
布索家发展联盟是一个地区性的框架合作组织，聚集了整个布索家区域内的所有的人民，以及当地的12个地方政府，特别是金甲市作为布索家的首都。
Busoga is the first regional government that was established under the Constitution of Uganda, and it was established at the time when Her Excellency, the first Deputy Prime Minister, was presiding over the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda as Speaker of Parliament.
布索家发展联盟是一个创新性的地区政府组织。布索家联盟创立的时候，正是第一副总理阁下担任乌干达议长的时候。
The Busoga Consortium is centrally
coordinated under the oversight of the Office of the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda. And I want to recognize a very special person who is here to represent the Office of the Vice President, the Deputy Principal Private Secretary to Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, Mr. Vincent Musubile Chitiamoes. Mr. Vincent.
同时，布索加发展联盟也
Let us
是
give him a round of applause.
布索加发展联盟也是乌干达副总统办公室负责主要进行协调和监督的一个地方政府组织。同时，我们也今天非常欢迎来自副总统办公室的副总统私人秘书文斯特先生到场。
The Ministry of Local Government is responsible for coordinating all the programs that are implemented within the Busoga Consortium, because local governments are under the mandate of the Ministry of Local Government.
布索加发展联盟同时也受乌干达地方政府事务部的管理和协调，所有的我们布索加所有的这个发展议程和发展项目都受地方政府部的领导。
The topmost of leadership in Busoga, we have the patron, and the patron is responsible for providing diplomatic oversight of the leadership of Busoga, and the patron of the consortium is the Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, who is the chief guest of this occasion.
同时，布索加发展联盟也受布索加发展联盟荣誉主席，也就是第一副总理瑞贝卡卡达加阁下的领导。
And after the patron, we have the committee that brings together the ministers who represent us in the cabinet of Uganda, that is chaired by the President of the Republic of Uganda. And we are blessed and honored that the chairperson of the Ministerial Coordination Committee of the Busoga Consortium is the third Deputy Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honorable Nakadama Rukia Isanga.
We also have trade and industry. You are aware that Shadoko province is one of the industrial zones from China. And most important, we are the sector.
Okabiranga kuwa tusimye bongerwa mwebale bakagwa ekonga lyakoba okabiranga kuwa mwikirize mbebaze mwebale bakagwa bibaire bizibu migo kusambagana bintu bibaire bizibu ino bibaire bizibu kuba bibaire mu bukyayi emitego bataire munjira okutulemesa olugendo twenda kubaire kuguma koba maama kubaire kukuba n'agamaani g'omutonzi tumwebaze kyokka ensi ena abantu bangi bayogeranga abantu bangi badereganga bukalivaamu kyakakatyama mu ntebe yaife kani akakatyama mu ntebe yaife baliwa abali boogera ebigambo abali baneyengulanga baliwa nga ndi otiinaiza bwa musango abaanooma ne mundeta akadogo omuliwa tukube mu ngalo nga twebaza omudingu tukube mu ngalo ak'enswisa era tukube mu ngalo nga twebaza omutonzi tukube mu ngalo kemunesize sindakonda bitegeeke munesize